Create your own cloud storage with your Wi-Fi router without spending a dime. Use the resources that is around you so that you don't need to pay for an extra cash for anything that you want to do with storage. That is what we get from having a USB port on your Wi-Fi router. Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we are going to look into what more can we do with Wi-Fi routers. Okay, because most of us know that we need Wi-Fi routers so that we can connect our wireless devices such as your phone, your tablet, your laptop to the internet wirelessly. But some of us didn't know that our Wi-Fi routers has USB ports like this one. Now, not all Wi-Fi routers have USB ports. So if you're planning to buy a Wi-Fi router, check something that has a USB port. You can do more with it. As you're watching, you go better check if you have a USB port so that probably you can do something about it. Now, what I have here is a Netgear Wi-Fi router RAX20, and it has this USB port. Basically, this is what we can do with that USB port. I have a USB stick here and I can plug it to this Wi-Fi router. Now, I can access this USB in all of the devices that are connected to the Wi-Fi network. I'm going to show you later on how you can access that one on the network. For now, let's try another one. Take note of this one, guys. I got this one from an old broken laptop and I cannot salvage it because it's already a motherboard problem. I got the HDD. So this is 1 terabyte of space and I can get a SATA port adapter going to USB and then plug it here. So as simple as this, I can plug that and then plug it here. Now, this can be a network attached storage device. So I can access this one in my entire network or even outside of my network. What I'm going to do right now is get my laptop and then try to connect with this HDD. If you know how to open a Wi-Fi router before, then you know how to access the web interface of this Wi-Fi router. Now, if you do not know, you can go at the back of this Wi-Fi router and all the access in the IP address you have, probably the access of this one is here at the back, written at the back, so you can access that one. So this one, what I gotta do is I know CMD, and then I just go ahead and IP config. I want to check my default gateway. So my IP address, my default gateway is 10.0.0.1. That's the way I'm going to access my Wi-Fi router. I'm just going to go ahead and open a new tab because that is my research paper I'm doing. So 10.0.0.1. I'm going to enter that one. Okay, so we are going to log in here. Badam. Then, okay, we don't need Netgear Armor. Let's go ahead and click Ready Share. Then you can see it here. We should have Q, baby! And that is T-Pro NAS, and it is 930.9 G, that is gigabytes. Share name, T-Pro NAS. Let's go ahead and click copy this one, and then put it on run. There you go, Q drive. We can access it via the run. So I'm going to create a folder. Let's try to see if we can create a new folder here. And whoa, T-Pro files. All right, so we can access the drive. You can see it here, network share Q drive, right? Then, there you go. So what you can do here is you can upload files of this 1 terabyte of space. I can also map that drive here. Let me see if we can add a map drive. So let's go here and then connect, map a drive. Let's try to see if we can map that. That will be Q, just a name, server share. Let's go ahead and paste this one. Control C. And I go back to this computer. I'll just paste this one. Or we can try and browse if we can see this one. Oh, we can see it there. Ready share. And then Q drive. So we can go ahead and say Q drive. Let's connect to Q drive. Okay. Finish. We should be able to see the there you go. It's here, tip profiles. And I can use this one as a backup for some of my files. Let's just say I'm going to open some pictures here. Do I have pictures? I'll go ahead and let's go ahead and try to copy some downloads that are a little bit big. So I'll just go ahead and try and copy these OBS, Control C. I'll go back to the drive. Q drive, you can see it here. Q drive, baby. And then I'm going to put it inside the profiles. Are you sure you want to copy this file without its properties? Yes, sir. Oh, so it can transfer at around 25 megabits per second. That's still cool. All right, so we were able to plug that one. Now, the thing is, we can safely remove this one. Apply, okay? So, okay, now you can remove. We can change it with a USB. So, I'll change this one with a USB. And then I'll refresh this one to make sure that it is refreshed. Then let's try to see if things has changed, right? So I'm going to close this one and then go to Ready Share. Oh, see this one? USB storage. You have T drive 29. Let's try to see what's inside this one. So I can access this one via run. T drive, Ready Share. Oh, see, I was able to access it. Now you go to, so that we can map this one also, so that every time you open your laptop and it detects that it's there, it would appear here right away so that you don't need to put in the run command here. Now we try to see this one, we disconnected the drive, that's why it's gone. But if we plug it back, it should be back there. So again, let's just go ahead and try this one to make sure so that you can see map network drive, and then I'll paste again the Ready Share here. Okay. And then there you go. We have the T drive. I'll just press OK. And then it should be able to be here. So I was able to have it here. Now you go back to this PC, and this is the USB that is plugged here. So I can access that one. In my entire network, I can access USB and storage devices. Okay? So I don't know if it's going to be a big advantage for you, but if you have that one, take advantage of it and use it, because you know what? We are looking for more storage because of pricey cloud storage out there. So why don't you create your own cloud storage with your Wi-Fi router without spending a dime? Use the resources that is around you so that you don't need to pay for an extra cash for anything that you want to do with storage, right? So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you in the next one.